13, huh? I'll stick with 621. Don't let the Red Guns teach you bad manners.
Main system, activating combat mode.
Balaam Group AC Squad Red Guns reporting for duty. Commence mission. Attack! Get in there, you maggots!
Great. An independent merc. Who's the wise guy who decided the Red Gun should be taking care of some freelancer?
Who gives a shit? We'll handle this mission ourselves. One target destroyed.
Hey, freelancer. Then no one even told you why we're here. Well, us three Red Guns are gonna go climb the wall. This is just target practice. When we're done, the locals' little base is next.
Good find. Can't take yourself away from chatting with a tag-along? Why don't you start a sewing club together and stitch that damn mouth of yours shut?
2 targets destroyed.
How about that? Guess you're not a total package. Good 4. Can't say I considered you a pro either. We don't need backseat drivers in the Red Guns. Shape up or ship out!
621. Eradicate the frontline MTs. That takes care of the frontline MTs.
That was just the warm-up. Look alive, maggots!
Wait, 621. I'm receiving a coded transmission.
Raven, I represent the Rubicon Liberation Front. Our request is simple. We want you to take out the 2 Red Guns. Our compensation will be double Balaam's offer, awaiting your response.
Interesting. Your call, 621.
Your cooperation is appreciated, Raven.
621. We've received a friendly ID tag from the Liberation Front. Let's not waste their firepower.
Now you've got it, freelancer. No one picks a fight with the Red Guns.
So blow him, Walter. Gun 4, Gun 5, return fire! It looks like Gun 13's playing dirty now! The smirk's something else! Where did Michigan find this street? I'm losing control of my machine. No choice but to withdraw. Volta, that's not the only thing you're losing. But good job getting wasted by the tag-along.
Watch it, freelancer. I'm not going down like Volta. I'm gonna punch the living daylights out of Michigan, and no one's stopping me.
Two repair kits remaining.
I'm not taking any more of your shit. I already get enough from Michigan every day of the week.
Right-hand ammunition at 50%. Left-hand
Damn it! I've been hit bad. Freelancer got lucky.
Confirmed. Gun 4 and Gun 5 eliminated. You can bill me for the AC repair fees, Michigan.
You've ruined our little field trip, Walter. I'll be billing you for tuition fees, too.